Welcome back. Patraya Fest, as it is commonly known, was celebrated in Sukur on Independence Day. It is also the celebration of Feast of Our Lady of Assumption. It is believed that Mother Mary had ascended into heaven on this day. The people of Sukur celebrated it in a unique way. A grand festive lunch had patoyo and vade as a speciality. Have a look.
We are having first time in Sukur. It's known as Prudent Fest. The uniqueness of this, we have combined with three functions. Today we are celebrating the feast of Our Lady of Assumption, our Mother Mary, who Jesus has given us. Jesus has given us as His mother as a gift for us, and she was assumed to heaven with body and soul. We believe. That's why all of us, we are happy today to celebrate this festival in her honor, to praise God for giving her as our mother.
Reporter Shamsundar Fateh for Prudent.
One of the main accused in the monitor lizard illegal gummer trade racket has confessed that he had killed 7 monitor lizards and sold them to the associate accused. Skin of each lizard cost around 900 to 1000 rupees in trade market, but accused claims that he has sold it for lesser price. Accused is out on bail. Prudent, through an exclusive report, had exposed his racket couple of days back.
The main accused in the monitor lizard illegal gummer trade racket, Rajaram Gowde from Valpoi Satari, has confessed that he has killed 7 monitor lizards and has sold the skin to the gummer trader.
तो म्हणपाक आपणे 7 तेजे कडसून घेतलेली 18नी म्हणटा तो एग्री जालो आपणे 7य घेतल्या 7 तेका विकल्या म्हण आमी तेका विचारलें ते खंय सांगल्या काय म्हण म्हणटा तो म्हणपाक थिंगा कारांजलो आतां आमी फुडें चवकशी करून कारांजलो वयतले परत तेजे आनी कितें आसा जाल्यार टेस्टमेंट करपाक
राजारामान कमिटमेंट केले आपणे 7
हय आनी तो म्हणटा आपणाक अंदाज 3 म्हयने लागले 7 तीं कलेक्ट करपाक आमी जाल्यार कितलो पिरियड लागलो तुका 1 दिवस 4 दिवस 10 दिवस ना म्हणटा तो अंदाज म्हणपाक आपणाक 3 म्हयने लागले ती 7 कलेक्ट करता म्हटल्यार
ते कशें कितें काडटा स्कीन काडटा आनी मागीर कितें करता मारतात तेंकां
ते मारतात आनी तो स्टेटमेंट दिला की मटन कितें केलें काय विचारलें तो म्हणपाक मटन आमी खाल्लें.
Monitor lizard is a protected animal under Wildlife Protection Act. Its killing is an offence. The skin is usually sold at around 900 to 1000 rupees in the trade market. However, accused claims that he has sold it for rupees 250 to 300.
हेच्या एकट्या प्रमाणे 3 years इम्प्रिजमेंट आहा आनी 25 रुपीज फायन 25,000. हय
आणि हेजो रेट कितें आसा मार्केटान
मार्केटान आमी तेका चवकशी केल्ली ते 900 रुपया ते 1000 रुपया एक घुमट विकता खंय. आमी तेका विचारलें त्यो चामडी कशी विकल्या तो म्हणटा 250 ते 300 रुपया एक चामडी विकल्या म्हण आपणे.
Earlier on August 13, Forest Department had arrested 3 persons while trading gummets made out of monitor lizard skin. 20 gummets ready for sale and instruments used for hunting monitor lizards were also recovered. Forest officials had acted upon an input given by Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, Mumbai. Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
The Madgaon Sunni Jamia Masjid is again in the news following tussle on the appointment of new president. The 20-member group has appointed a new president of the committee. Another 15-member group in opposition is unhappy with the decision. They have planned to move a no-confidence motion against the newly appointed president.
The tussle between the two groups of Sunni Jamia Masjid in Margaon on appointment of new president is still on. Of these, one group has a strength of 15 members while the other has 20. The 20-member group has appointed a new president for the committee after sacking the old president.
15 मेंबरांनी असं डिसिजन घेतलं काय आज फ्रॉम 11 जेन्ना आमी नो कॉन्फिडन्स घेतला तेन्नाच्यान चावी ऑफिसाची चावी नवे सेक्रेटरी कडेन वचपाची आनी आमी न्यू लॉक मारला आनी आमची मिनिट्सान सगळे आसा मिनिट्साची कॉपी एक पुलीस स्टेशनाक दिला एक कलेक्टरा दिला आनी आमी आतां ताका 8 दिसाचो टायम दिला की बाबा सगळे डॉक्युमेंट जे कितें आहा ते आमचे नवे सेक्रेटरी कडेन दिवपाचे आनी चावी अशे तरेन ओपन जातली की ट्रेजरर आसतलो न्यू सेक्रेटरी आसतलो प्रेसिडेंट आसतलो आनी आउट गोईंग सेक्रेटरी मेळून आमी ओपन करतले ऑफिस आनी आमी डॉक्युमेंट घेतले.
Another office bearer Noor Saha, the secretary of the committee, has also been removed. Yatik has been appointed as the secretary of Masjid committee. The president Sudagar says opportunity wasn't granted to the secretary to clarify his version.
मातशे मनीस केन्ना काम करतना मातसो वयर सकयल चुकतात तागेले मातशें चूक जर ताणें समजून घेतल्यार बरें आसता हे भाशेन करून ताणें एक इन्सल्ट जी केला.
The new secretary will be handed over the charge after fresh elections. The elections will be held after the Ramzan Eid. Our reporter Savio Dias for Prudent Media.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned.